motherboard.
Alright. We have an AM3 type socket with a front side bus speed of 5200 MTS and 2 PCIe slots and 1 PCI slot. It has 6 SATA connectors, a VGA 15 video slot, and 2 internal, 2 external USB, an onboard ATI Radeon 3000, and it's $54.99.
Our CPU and cooling fan. The CPU is a Phenom 2X4 B93. It's got 2 gigahertz of speed and 2 levels of cache with a total of 8 megabytes. And quad core. We bought this because it was like generally cheap and it had a decent speed and you know, good. Cooling fan, Arctic Cooling Alpine Pro. It fit the CPU and it was extremely quiet and very easy to install. And those together were like cheap. So.
Okay, there's one thing I forgot to say with the motherboard though. We got it because it was good for the price and it should run, what we're looking for pretty well. But anyway, back to the random access memory. We bought 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance DDR3 for $99.64, and our hard drive is a 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda with a 64 megabyte cache and 7200 RPM. It's a SATA type for $104.95.
Our optical drive is a Sony AD72805. We pretty much just got like the most basic one because we don't really need anything special for that. It's Windows 7 compatible and it has SATA connectors. Our power supply is a Cooler Master Extreme. It's got 500 watts of power because we typically wanted a computer that's good for gaming. That's why we have so much memory, and so 500 watts would be like the minimum. And it's got a 20 plus 4 pin connector, a PCI cable, SATA, and peripheral. Generally cheap price. And our case is an iMicro ATX Mid. It's got 7 expansion bays and 10 drive bays. And I mean, we weren't really looking for anything special with that. It just kind of looked cool. And it's pretty cheap.
Alright, for the sound and video adapters, or cards as they're called, we bought a Vantech 7.1 sound card. It's a full duplex playback and recording, $29.99. The video card was a Force 3D, 2 gigabytes of memory, and its output is HD 1080. 1080p, I believe. It was for $58.95. The total is $499.02.
And we got most of our stuff from Amazon. I mean, they're not necessarily all coming from the same place, but they are from the same website. So, that's it.